Education Day, and yesterday we celebrate with a kind of fact that the higher education should.
So thank you very much to make this workshop again happen in May here.
I am really open. I would say, yeah, it's a bit.
In this workshop, we can cooperate. It's not stop in this workshop, but we can.
For the next
Our mission is to introduce the rest of the world the heritage of Indonesia in its living product while giving women opportunity to empower themselves.
The name Salahan is coming from Salon de Refusé, if you have ever heard about it. So it's like exhibition of works rejected by the jury from the salon, Paris Salon, in about 1863 or something.
So the next stage are the marketing ideas. Maybe we need to build an identity also for the brand. That's why we came up with thank you notes that you could have on the back, and it says, "Stay with me, love me, thanks for caring." So we have to build up identity and a character, and we have to combine the natural materials and the natural dyeing of the fabric.
Simply be mine on every word. To hold it on. Don't make it bad. To make it better.